Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can improve your video resolution in the CapCut apps. So when you edit the video, you can find the resolution option at the top. Here, just click on it. So you can improve the quality of your video by changing the resolution and the frame rate. So you can change for the resolution, and here resolution up to 1080 pixel, and then frame rate up to 60 FPS. So I think you can choose for the 1080 pixel for the resolution and change for the frame rate into 30 FPS, just enough to get the better quality for your video. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.